Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video today. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm actually going to be switching it up a little bit. I still think if you're in flipping, reselling phones, that means you're kind of own a business. So with comes a business, you do want to grow your personal brand because that's an extension of your business that you do need to take care of because of the extended audience that can come into your business because of your personal brand. So let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different apps that you guys should be utilizing in today's market in 2018 to build your personal brand. So the first one is Instagram. So Instagram is a great platform that I'm sure you know about and probably use extensively, but not to an extent of building a personal brand. If you want to have multiple Instagrams, that's fine. You probably have one for your business, but you should also have one for your personal brand. Maybe that's aside from your personal Instagram, like just that you have with your friends, you can build a new one, or you can extend off that personal Instagram and make that like an influencer personal brand Instagram. But for me, I actually ended up just using my personal Instagram and I'm trying to grow it into a influencer and a personal brand Instagram. With that said, Instagram's a great platform where you can reach millions of people in a matter of your fingertips in seconds. Look up things like hashtags, you can look at geolocations, you can look at just friends of friends. You can find anybody on Instagram because it's a platform where most people that you know probably have it. So you can connect with people, shoot off ideas, and really be able to be responsive to somebody across the world in a matter of just a couple seconds. So Instagram, great first platform. This should be your main platform, honestly, to build your personal brand. And that leads me to my second point. That's actually YouTube. Part of this video, and this is how I'm actually trying to grow my personal brand, is to spread knowledge. Find something that you have a lot of knowledge in, you could almost consider yourself an expert in, and build off of it. Make videos where each video has a different segment of that, whatever you're good at. I do flipping iPhone, so a lot of the videos that I release are little tips and tricks to help you guys flip phones better and make some extra money, make $100 a day, make 10K a month, make 100,000 a year, however much work you put into it. But you have to find something where you're creating value for other people. Don't ask for a business until you release value. So that's a big thing for me. Is I only have 144 subscribers right now. So building a personal brand, it takes time, but you just have to be consistent. You have to post every day on Instagram. You have to post a video every day on YouTube. And algorithms work that way. I mean, it's just about consistency with these personal brands. And then this leads me to my third and final platform that you should be using. And that's actually an app called Anchor. So I do have it on my phone. You can see it. It's right there. And so Anchor is actually a great platform for any beginner person in audio that wants to get into creating podcasts, episodes, stuff like that. So that's a great way. You can also spread knowledge. You can kind of transfer that from your YouTube. Maybe you record a YouTube video and just have the audio playing from your app and upload that to your Anchor. You're reaching a new audience. Some people like video, some people like audio, but I actually took this app from Gary Vee, who actually recommends and pushes so hard the idea of how valuable audio will be in the future and the future of podcasts. I mean, he's been right about most 95 probably of the percent of the things he's actually said. So when he says podcasts are going to be the future, I want to get on that train now and early. So you guys should be doing the same exact thing. So those are the 3 platforms. 1, Instagram, 2, YouTube, and 3, Anchor. These are just a start, but if you want to create a foundation to help start building your personal brand, these are 3 great apps that you should be utilizing in today's market to be able to reach that audience that you will. And you have to have a target audience, as I keep mentioning. You want to have specific videos, specific podcasts. You don't want to have a general video. Yeah, people create general vlogs, general podcasts, but you kind of want to find a market, a niche. That's kind of how you build a business, right? So Whether you have a business or not, this is a great way to eventually expand that business through a personal brand platform using these 3 different apps or like online resources. So if you found value in the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to learn more about all the tips that I'm giving every single day. I'm here to spread value, create content for you guys. So and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any suggestions of video ideas you want to see. If you want to see me do more iPhone reselling, if you want me to do how to build personal brand, more general ways to make money online, shoot me a comment below. I look at every single one, even though I usually never even get one. That will for sure show you that I'm going to respond and look at it and take your comments seriously. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video.